What's up guys, this is TampaTec and this is the 2 TB game drive for the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Yes, it also works for the PlayStation 5. As you can see right here, I have it plugged in and this thing works amazing. How to set it up, you want to make sure it's within 4 inches from the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 if you want to get optimal performance. I guess this might be a heat thing because the PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 does put out some heat, so keep that in mind. I just have mine sitting on top. I use double-sided Velcro, so in case someone moves your PlayStation, it's not going to drop and damage the hard drive. To set it up is super easy. You just plug it into a USB connection, as you can see right here on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Then you want to go into your settings, devices, USB storage devices, game drive, and then format to extended storage. So right here, we're going to settings, hit X, you go to storage, hit X. I have it set up right here, USB extended storage. And as you can see, the size is truly 1.84 terabytes. Even though it's advertised as 2 terabytes, you're really getting 1.84. So how many games can you fit on that? Let's see, let's find out. So these games are pretty big in size, 16 gigs. PlayStation 4 games tend to be around 20 gigs. Uncharted 4, 60 gigs. Some of these VR games are about 1 or 2 gigs. So the PlayStation 5 games are a little bit bigger. And you can also set it up as which default storage you want to use. I have mine set to USB extended storage. So here's the USB cable right here. And as you can see, I have it plugged into the USB port right here. And there's also an LED light letting you know that it's working. And this thing works amazing. Highly recommend. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.